Alright, today we're looking at a 2016 Kia Sorento. It's got 49,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, just two previous owners. It's titanium silver in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle here. Start on the driver's side. It does have turn signals in the side mirrors. Nice chrome trim around the windows. Chrome door handles. Got a little scuff right here. Back quarter panel. A little separation right here in the body line. Your way to the rear of the vehicle. It does have the tow hitch down here. Your way down the passenger side. Chrome trim here, door handles. Got the turn signals in the side mirrors here as well. And then on the front bumper, passenger side, it's a little paint scrape right there. Alright, once again, it's a 2016, 49,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, two previous owners. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Black on black door panels. Nice wood grain trim here. Power windows, power mirrors, power locks. You got the nice thick rubber floor mats. Black cloth seating. All right, driver's seat looks good. Does come with the keyless entry key fob. Passenger seat's in good shape. Alright, it is an automatic. Got a power outlet, auxiliary USB, and a 12 volt outlet right there. Climate control area here. Got your AM FM CD player. Okay. Cruise control on this side. Steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth on this side of the steering wheel. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 49,303 miles. Now that we've got it started, let's go ahead and show you the radio display. All right, once again, the climate control area. Okay, and then again, your outlets down here. Okay, let's go ahead and step out. We'll take a look in the back seat. All right, door panels look good. The nice rubber floor mats back here as well. Another 12 volt hookup right here. Back seat cloth looks good. Let me go ahead and open up that passenger side door. Get a little bit more light in there. I'll go ahead and open the hatch too here. Back seat cloth looks good. Get the center armrest that comes down. Your cup holders there. Go ahead and give you a view of the driver's eye view. Dash and layout here. Alright, let's take a look in the back. Alright, carpet looks pretty good back here. Got a little issue going on with the carpet right here in this area. Plenty of room back here. Nice convenient power outlet back here as well. Take a look underneath. Got some storage. Got your jack there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. Okay, we got 17-inch alloys. All right, alloys are in great shape. Tires look good. Plenty of tread on them. All right, once again, it's a 2016 Kia Sorento, 49,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, just two previous owners. All right, it's in good shape inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.